Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love discovering smart tools that make everyday life easier, you're going to love today's video. In this video, we're talking about the top 5 kitchen and home gadgets that are modern, practical, and perfect for daily use. These are not boring gadgets. They are new, trending Amazon finds that can save time, reduce effort, and upgrade your home instantly. Whether you're cooking, organizing, or just trying to make your home smarter, these gadgets are designed to help without costing a fortune. So make sure you watch till the end, because the last gadget is something most people don't even know exists. The first gadget on our list is motion sensor under cabinet LED lights, a smart home upgrade that instantly improves visibility and convenience. These lights automatically turn on when they detect motion and turn off after a few seconds, making them perfect for kitchens, hallways, closets, and cabinets. They are extremely useful at night when you don't want to turn on bright overhead lights. Whether you're grabbing a glass of water or opening a kitchen drawer, these lights provide soft, clear illumination exactly where you need it. Most models available on Amazon are battery-powered or USB rechargeable, so no wiring is required. Installation is very easy, usually with adhesive strips or magnetic mounts. You can remove and recharge them whenever needed. Many versions also offer adjustable brightness and multiple lighting modes. This gadget improves safety, saves energy, and adds a modern look to your home. If you want a smart lighting solution without expensive installation, motion sensor LED lights are a must-have home gadget available on Amazon. Next up is the expandable drawer organizer, a simple but powerful home gadget that helps keep your kitchen and home clutter-free. This organizer is designed to fit different drawer sizes and can expand or shrink depending on your storage needs. It's perfect for organizing kitchen utensils, cutlery, gadgets, office supplies, makeup, or tools. Instead of digging through messy drawers, everything stays neatly separated and easy to find. Most organizers available on Amazon are made from durable plastic, bamboo, or wood, giving them a clean and premium look. What makes this gadget special is its flexibility. You can adjust the compartments to fit your drawer perfectly, which makes it suitable for almost any home. It saves time, reduces stress, and instantly improves organization. This is one of those gadgets that doesn't look exciting at first, but once you use it, you can't imagine living without it. A well-organized drawer makes daily tasks faster and smoother, especially in the kitchen. At number 3, we have the electric coffee mug warmer, a small but extremely useful kitchen and home gadget. If your tea or coffee gets cold quickly while working or watching videos, this gadget is for you. A mug warmer keeps your drink warm for hours at a safe temperature. You simply place your mug on the warmer, plug it in, and enjoy hot coffee without reheating it in the microwave again and again. Many Amazon models include auto shut-off features, temperature control, and non-slip surfaces. This gadget is perfect for home offices, students, or anyone who enjoys slow sipping. It also makes a great gift idea because it's practical and stylish. Instead of wasting coffee or constantly reheating it, a mug warmer saves time and improves your daily routine. It's a small upgrade that adds big comfort to your home. The fourth gadget is a refillable oil spray bottle, a smart kitchen tool for healthier cooking. Instead of pouring excess oil into pans, this bottle allows you to spray a fine mist of oil evenly across your food. It's perfect for air frying, grilling, baking, and frying. You use less oil while still getting great flavor, which makes this gadget ideal for anyone focused on healthy eating. Most Amazon versions are made from glass or stainless steel, making them durable and eco-friendly. This spray bottle also gives you better control while cooking and reduces mess. It's easy to refill, easy to clean, and very convenient for daily use. If you're trying to cook smarter and healthier, this simple gadget makes a noticeable difference in your meals. Last but not least is the foldable silicone dish drying mat, a modern home gadget that replaces bulky dish racks. This mat provides a clean, non-slip surface for drying dishes, fruits, and vegetables. It's heat-resistant, so you can also use it as a trivet for hot pots and pans. When not in use, it folds or rolls up easily, saving counter space, perfect for small kitchens. Most versions available on Amazon are dishwasher safe, quick drying, and designed with raised ridges for airflow. It keeps countertops dry and clean while looking neat and modern. So those were the top 5 kitchen and home gadgets that can make your life easier and your home smarter. All of these products are available on Amazon, and links are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more gadget and Amazon finds videos. Let me know in the comments which gadget you like the most. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.